If we look at number 1, where does the 5 go? Up to the 12. Okay, so our first step, and yes, you guys need to show your work, is going to look like, it's ln, or some of you guys say in. What's that stand for? Natural log. Okay, natural log of 12 to the 5th. Do we need to solve this?
Yes.
Yes. What is 12 to the 5th? Type it in your calculator.
248. 248832.
248832?
Yeah.
Somebody agree with that?
Yes.
Okay, good.
That's the answer?
Yep. Okay, we're not going to type in, and when you type this in, you only type in this part on your calculator. Okay, you can't type in the natural log part, or it's going to solve it even further for you.
What did you get the other 5 from?
It was, I don't know, it came on my computer.
Oh, okay.
Okay, 3 is going to look like natural log of what? 3 to the third power.
That's 27.
Okay, if we look at 5, is there numbers up front?
No.
No, so there's nothing to move up. Okay, what's minus tell us to do?
It's divide.
Divide. Okay, which one's going to go on top?
The 10.
The 10. So it's really going to be 10 over 7. Okay, you need to check that on your calculator. Does 10 over 7 simplify? So hit your fraction button, and then put 10 on top, put 7 on the bottom.
I got 10 cents.
If you get 10
I
7
got
again,
1.42.
no, hit the SD button. If you get 10 7 again, then you know it's fully simplified.
I didn't. I don't think so. It says 1.
Then hit SD.
That's why. Oh.
You didn't. I just told Ruby that, because I know you weren't listening. Okay, 7. It's going to look like natural log of what?
2 over 3.
2 over 3. Okay, check it. See if that simplifies.
It's not, it can't. It can't.
Nope, it doesn't. So we're going to circle it, and that's our answer.
I'm so small.
Okay, 9. Are there numbers up front?
No.
No. Okay, this is going to be natural log of what?
12 times 5.
12 times
60.
5. Do we multiply those or not?
Yes.
Why? Do you feel like that?
There's no numbers on top of it.
Yeah, so when we have a number to an exponent, we're not going to multiply. But because there's no numbers up front in the beginning, that means you can finish this and multiply it. And what is 12 times 5?
60.
60. So you could say natural log of 60. Okay, flip it over. Okay, 11. Is there numbers up front?
Yes.
So we need to move those first. Our first one is going to look like natural log of what?
7, 2.
7 squared. Minus natural log, not 2 to the 4th.
7 to the 2nd is 49.
No. So now we got a minus, so what do we do with that?
Oh, you divide.
We're going to divide. So we got natural log of 7 squared over 2 to the 4th. Can we simplify that? No. Why not? Yeah, we got a power with a power and a power with a power, so we do not simplify it. However, Ruby said, well, 7 squared is 49. It absolutely is, okay? But we're going to leave it like this because of this powers, okay? We leave it just like this.
I know, but
You don't need to write it out. There's no reason for you to do that.
no, but like when we do,
Is it supposed to say 49 over 16?
No, we're going to leave it just like this.
No, I know, but like, what if I do, like, 30 on my
You don't type it in the calculator. That's what I'm saying.
Oh, my.
Okay, this one, you're going to have natural log. Natural log of 2 to the 10th plus natural log of 5 to the 5th. What do we do with plus?
Multiply.
Okay, so you got natural log of 2 to the 10th times 5 to the 5th. Okay, and a bunch of you guys are trying to type this in your calculator. You do not, just like the last one, type in your calculator if you have like this. You don't type it in your calculator. Only if it's like one digit. So if it was just the 2 to the 10th, then you can type it in your calculator. But because we have 2 of these, we do not do it on the calculator. We leave it just like that.
Oh, so you live like that all the time? Unless it's single?
Yep, if it's single. Okay, we got natural log. Oh, why am I stupid?
I didn't get to it yet.
Natural log of 8 to the 4th plus natural log of 3 to the 4th.
Natural log 8 to the 4th times 3 to the 4th.
Good. Natural log of 8 to the 4th times 3 to the 4th.
That's our answer.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Okay, you're gonna get natural log of 11 to the 5th plus natural log of 3 to the 30th. Natural log of 11 to the 5th times 3 to the 30th. Close enough. You can wait. Okay, we're gonna get natural log of 5 squared minus natural log of 6 to the 4th.
When it's squared, that means always means 2, right?
Okay, yes. What do we do with the minus?
We divide.
We're gonna divide. Which one goes on top?
The 5 to the second.
6 to the 4th. Do we keep going or leave it?
Leave it.
We leave it. Why?
They both have.
Oh, they both have exponents.
Yep, they both have a power or an exponent, whatever you want to call it, and so we're gonna leave it just like that. Okay, when you do 20, you can multiply these two once they're, but not this one, okay? Because it's gonna have a power with it, okay? You guys go through, you got 10 to do. When you get them done, put them in the box back there, and then you can sit quietly at your desk.